Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Wafi Afandi, and today I'm going to present to you lab activity 3. So, for the first part, I want to show you the activity main.xml. So basically, this is the skeleton of our main page. If as you can see that there is maybe there are two similar interface, but the first one for the activity main is the skeleton, but the second one is for the inside of the skeleton. So basically, this activity main skeletal mean the or the base of our main interface. So if to make it simpler, if we remove this line, which is include layout containment. So as you can see, the code that only represent in this in this part is only the toolbar and the cut button. So if we include the deleted code back, so this is the containment. So the main item that we see in the interface is from this part, which is the containment.xml. So I want to explain this part. So basically in this interface, there is the title or the text view, and there is three image, and there is the explanation of the item or the food that we want to that the user can read and choose whether they want donut, ice cream sandwich or yogurt. So to make it simpler, the most important thing that we want to see from this containment.xml is that for each image, as you can see, there is this code which is on click. So basically, when the user click an item, you can see there is a message. So this means the when the user click the one of the image, the different type of message will be displayed based on the item that we ordered. So to understand the code that we use to display the message based on the item click, we go to this main activity.java. So to explain this main activity.java, for the message, we create a string, which is the order message. And at the bottom, you can see there is three different or method for each of the food available in the interface from the containment. So basically, if the user click uh, and and a donut, for example, if we run this method show the donut, if this image is ice cream sandwich, it will run this. And lastly, for the for your order, it will run this show for your order. So based on the input, it will determine the method from the main activity using the onClick method. So for example, if the donut is clicked, there will be this, we will set the order message using donut order message. Or if we click ice cream, it will set to ice cream order message. And if Froyo is clicked, the Froyo order message will be displayed. So the message is coming from the string XML, where we have set all of the message based on the item we choose. So as you can see, there is three string that we have set. So for each of the order. Alright, next. After the user has clicked the message, we go back to the top of the coding, and let's see one by one. So for on create, first there is we want to load the skeleton one, which is the activity main. So the toolbar. So the toolbar and the shopping cart will be displayed to the user. Next, there which is this float listener, where the system will detect when the user click the shopping cart. So basically, we want to pass the message to the next interface using the intent. We want to pass this to the next interface, which is the activity order interface. So next one, let's see this uh, option. or the method. The first method is the on-create option menu, which is from the content menu. This is the toolbar. So if we show the app, this is the toolbar. So it will display the item in this toolbar. So there is only one item in this toolbar, which is the setting. So it will display the setting. So the setting, the item can be seen in here. As you can see, the item only one, which is we have set it as setting so the user can see it. And but the setting button doesn't work yet because we have not put any code in the item. Alright, let's go back to my activity. So there is also this display toast method, which means if the user click an item, as you can see, this message will be displayed using the display toast. Display toast mean this pop-up message that will display to the user. So the message that we get is getting from as you can see, the parameter is the string message. So when the user click an item, so for each item, this method, display toast will be operated so that whenever the user click an item, the pop-up message will be displayed to user. Alright, so after we click the shopping cart, we also pass the intent using this so that the net interface know what the user have chosen. So for the second one, the activity or the SML, as you can see, the first one that you can see is this text view where it will be set and determined based on the order of the customer. So let's go to the order activity. Let's go to the top first. So on trade, which means when the interface is loaded, the first one we will set the content view to activity order.xml. Then we receive the selected for item. So using the intent, and the first that we can see is this one. So based on the items selected, it will be written in this text box, which is, as you can see, it is order text view. So we will display it in that box using this one, find view by ID. And if it's the text view is not there, it will set the text into the message where it set text with using the message that we have passed from the main activity. So as you can see, the message has been set into the intent from the main activity one. Alright, the next one is the spinner. So so in this spinner, let's say I choose for you. So this is the spinner. So the item that we get is also from the menu main. I'm sorry, the string.xml. So as you can see, this is the array, the string array, and the item that we have set in this part. So all of that item will be displayed in there. This is where we load the spinner based on the item from the string.xml. Alright, so the next method is the radio button for the delivery method. So as you can see, there is every radio button has a pop-up message. So this also using the same method, which is display toast. So where we pass the message that we want to display to this method. So as you can see, this is the if else method that we use. So it will be displayed based on the input of the user for the delivery method radio button. So that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.